What's going on, guys? Nick here at Carter Chevrolet in Okarche, Oklahoma, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use teen driver mode and valet mode together, so the next time you hand your keys to a valet driver, when you get back, you're going to know how far they drove, what their maximum speed was, as well as a few other features that you can implement during that drive. Valet mode is pretty simple. We go into our settings, we click valet mode, we type in a 4-digit PIN. This can be different every single time, but I'm going to go with 1973. We're going to hit lock. You know, it's going to flash for a little bit, and here we go. We're locked out. Their radio's locked out. Our MyLink system is locked out. There's really not much they can do. All your personal information is blocked. But the thing is, you have no clue what happened during that drive after you handed them the keys in valet mode alone. But you can with teen driver mode. So here I'm going to show you how to get unlocked from valet mode real quick. We're going to go unlock. We're going to go into our settings. We're going to scroll down to teen driver. I'm going to type in my 4-digit PIN. Currently we have nothing in this report card, but pretty soon after I hand my keys to the valet driver, we're going to get to see some of these parameters. So setting the auto volume limit. Now in teen driver mode, this is a great feature because it allows you to set a maximum volume limit, and you have to have your seatbelt on in order for the music to play. But in valet mode, they can't listen to music at all. So I'm not too worried about this setting. I'm going to just leave it as is. But here we go. Our teen driver speed limiter. I do want to set this 85 miles an hour. That is the maximum speed they can drive. Speed warning. Set that to on, and I'm going to put it down to 40 because that is the minimum speed that I can have the notification turn on. So after I manage my settings, I am going to come down here to key registration. Yes, I want to register this key. After that happens, everything is successful. We're going to dismiss, hit OK, and go back home. Now we want to go into our settings, scroll up, go into valet mode. I'm about to hand my keys over to the valet driver. I just set my teen driver parameters. Now I'm going to go into valet mode, hit enter, type in my code, hit lock. It's going to flash again, and there we go. So now I'm in valet mode. Yes, everything's locked out. They can't see my personal information. The MyLink is shut down, as well as I'm going to get a report card this time. So let's hand the keys off to a valet driver and see what happens. Alright guys, that's it. I hope this video is helpful and you are able to better understand how valet mode and teen driver work and how you can utilize both of them to benefit you the best way possible. And if you have any questions, give us a shout anytime. Stay tuned for more videos, subscribe, and have a good one.